our friends at Bantac sent me this Varsity baseball bomber jacket. So excited about this. Ha ha ha. Wow. This is beautiful. I wish you could feel these materials. The materials are awesome. Check that out. Wow, this is very, very well made. With, I like the way it smells. Check that out. That is amazing how it looks. So, you see that? The patches are embroidered there, and they're, wow, they did a really good job with every detail on this, and the colors pop out at you. You see how beautiful this is? Let me show you the back. Nice. So cool. So it's like, I'm gonna put this on so you guys see how nice it looks on me. Check it out. Looks beautiful. The buttons are super well made. Super well. You can hear the click. See that? It looks like it was sewn there, right? And it has a nice texture to it. Look how beautiful this jacket is made. Looks like one of those jackets that you see race car drivers wear. Let me button it up all the way up. And this feels really, really nice. Yeah. You see how nice? Man, I'm a supermodel. You see that? Look. Wow. So, this is a nice jacket for anyone that is a nice sports enthusiast. The colors are awesome, and I think that you're gonna look beautiful in it. Super, super recommended.